Welcome back to another training video. We're going to go through facility traffic. It's really straightforward and really simple, but we still feel it's very valuable and impactful. So if you order from our site, you can get people counters on the subzerosoftware.ca site. So if I go here, system, and let's say I go to what's new, that'll take you to the promotional site and pricing, hardware. Scroll down. Here's our traffic counters. So you can click on it. These are non-intrusive. They're not collecting people's faces or private information. It's just a invisible beam, and once it breaks, it counts how many people coming in and how many people are coming out. We're getting some interesting feedback of people that have it at their front doors, so they can see how many are coming in through the front door, but then how many are also leaving from the front door. So the number could be different, and they're realizing people are going out different exits, and that's what might be causing a change in ice quality. And you can get additional ones if you want and track how many people are coming in and out of other doors that maybe you don't want them coming in and out of. So all it does is it just tallies how many people in, how many people out. If you wish, we can add the ability to track in versus out. Most people just want to track one value, and you would determine, is it always the in value or the out value? People get asked, what's the traffic in your facility? We always kind of guess, saying, oh, it's about 300,000 or 400,000, just guessing based on programming and maybe each kid bringing one or two parents and a variety of other factors. This is hard, cold facts or evidence as to how many people are coming in and out. And you can use this data, whether it's to get funding or to increase sponsorship fees. So you pick the rink, the operator that's collecting this data, current traffic. So you just see on the device itself, it might say 1,245. And then this is important, reset counter. So if you can choose to reset it every time and it goes back to zero, so it will tally it, or you haven't reset it and you just let it continue to add up. So then we know that it's in addition to the previous reading. So last time maybe you had 600, now you're at 1,200. So we know it's the difference. So from the last date and time that it was done, an additional 600 people have entered. So that'll help us with tallying the number of how many people are inside of your or have come to your facility. So if we say, has your sensor been reset? We'll say yes. So that means it's a new 1,200 people since the last time. Press submit, done. That's all you have to do. Submission successful. Now, when we go to your results, operations, facility traffic, results, here it is. And here's all of your readings, and here's current traffic, and here's total traffic. You can see our sum of 1,500 people over the last month or two. Some of the folks that have already started using it, they're getting about 1,000 people a day, and we can track and we can eventually build a report that'll show you a bar chart of how many people per day or per week that are coming into your facility, and then an aggregate over that period of time as well, which will be extremely valuable data for you to leverage and for you to use. If, again, you want to find where to access that hardware, I believe you can also do so here under order hardware. You click there and it'll take you to the exact same site to find everything that you need. Thank you for your time.